So you guys could see earlier the red sentry light was on. I took that probably a couple hours ago. We were up in the bush and I turned it on and I noticed that the light came on. And so I've had this happen to me once before. The light comes on as you're driving, the vehicle runs, operates just perfectly fine. And then you go to get out and you take your key out of the ignition, and then the door is just chiming. And it's kind of a rapid chiming. So if you keep the door closed, nothing. Then you go and you take your key, insert it into the ignition, push your clutch in if you're manual. Everything initializes as expected. Just let everything do its thing. You can hear the slow chiming. Then you go to turn your key and nothing happens. And the sentry light's still illuminated there in the background. The key does nothing. Yeah, it's a good thing I noticed that when we were out in the bush, so I didn't turn off the vehicle for risk of not being able to get it going again. The fix last time was I had to pop the hood and pull a fuse. So I'm going to go into the owner's manual. So to fix that issue I just described to you, it is the M13 fuse that you need to pull out, probably leave it for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. I couldn't remember exactly which fuse it was. I kind of knew the general area in the fuse block. And then when I went through the owner's manual, there was one, and the description seemed right. It had a lot of functions, steering column kind of related, and security system I think it may have even referenced. So yeah, it's this little M13 fuse here, which is very difficult to reach. But anyways, I pulled it out, plugged it back in, and I already gave the Jeep a try, and she fired right up. So I was lucky on this first attempt here. Hope this helps you.